Let me guess. You sit down to study, highlighter in one hand, phone in the other. 5 minutes later, you're deep into a video about a cat that knows math. Yeah, not because you're lazy. Your brain is just playing you. Today I'm giving you studying tips your teachers never told you. Not study harder, not wake up at 5 a.m., but brain hacking, science-backed tricks that make studying feel weirdly easier. Let's rewire this thing. Tip number 1. Study in short bursts before your brain notices. Your brain has a novelty alarm system. The moment it realizes, oh, we're studying, it releases boredom chemicals and tries to escape. So do this instead. Study for 25 minutes max. Then stop, move, breathe, stare at the wall dramatically. Why it works? Your brain stays in this is temporary mode. Dopamine doesn't crash. Focus stays sharp. You're tricking your brain into thinking, oh, this, just a quick task. Sneaky? Yes. Effective? Even more yes. Tip number 2. Make studying slightly uncomfortable on purpose. This one sounds illegal, but listen. Studying in your bed equals your brain thinks, sleep, scroll, Netflix. So switch it up. Sit on a hard chair, use a different room, change lighting. Why this works? Your brain goes into alert mode equals better memory encoding. Not pain. Just mild discomfort. Think, I'm awake, not cozy. Tip number 3. Teach an imaginary student who is kind of dumb. This is called the Feynman technique, but let's say it normally. Pretend you're teaching a wall, your pet, a stickman, or your future self at 3 a.m. Panicking before the exam. If you can explain it simply, you understand it. If you get stuck, that's the exact spot you need to study again. Why it works. Forces active recall, exposes fake understanding, turns memory into knowledge. Reading equals illusion. Teaching equals power. Tip number 4. Stop rereading. Your brain hates it. Rereading feels productive. It's not. Your brain goes, oh, I recognize this, and mistakes familiarity for learning. Do this instead. Close the book. Write what you remember. Say it out loud. Answer questions from memory. Why it works. This triggers retrieval practice, the strongest memory builder we know. Struggle equals learning happening. Yes, it feels harder. That's the point. Tip number 5. Study when your brain wants dopamine. Your brain learns best when dopamine is involved. So don't wait for motivation. Create it. Try this. Study to tiny reward. One topic to one song. One session to one snack. Your brain starts associating studying equals reward incoming. Eventually, you crave the study session itself. Addicted to studying? Yes, please. Tip number 6. Stop aiming for perfect focus. Perfect focus doesn't exist. Instead, aim for showing up, starting badly, staying just 1% longer. Momentum greater than motivation. Your brain follows action, not the other way around. Studying isn't about willpower. It's about designing an environment your brain can't resist. Once you stop fighting your brain and start working with it, studying stops feeling painful and starts feeling kind of powerful.